Alright, it is a new day. Ran out of time to finish those projects, so I'm going to head back out to the garden and do some more projects today. We've got to do some, put in some edging, and we'll see how far I get with that project, and then some other various things in the yard. So let's go ahead and get started again. Alright, I think that is going to do it for today. Just wanted to get a few things done in the yard since we have some nice weather. We do have some colder temps in the forecast still. So anyways, I just wanted to get out and enjoy the sun and the warmth, and a couple of these projects needed to get done, so I'm glad that they are done. Thank you all for watching, as always. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this video. I would love to connect with you here on YouTube as well as Instagram. You can find that link in my profile and in the description of this video. Make sure you give the video a like, share it, and yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye.